Eastern PA with a 30 meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for May 18th, 2018. For your Friday, today is going to be the rainiest of this stretch of weather we're having right now with just some cloudy and dreary skies, and this is going to continue today. We did have a little bit of break in some areas yesterday as this front was pushed off a little bit further to the south. So although we kept the clouds in place, we still had a dry period as that front shifted off to the south, and that will be there early this morning, and then we'll start coming back northward because we have an area of low pressure that is kind of sitting over the Tennessee Valley this morning, and it's going to have this it's going to attach itself to this warm front, which is sitting out here like this, and this is going to slowly migrate northward, and that's going to take place over the next 24 hours or so. As it does so, it's going to enhance the rainfall along this boundary, so you're going to have some heavier rain, probably on our southern areas mostly for that heavier rain. And I'm going to move this through in the progression. You can see what I'm talking about. Just kind of showery weather coming in this afternoon, and that's going to pick up overnight and into early Saturday morning, and you see some locally heavy rainfall occurring with that. But I think the heaviest concentration of the rain, the highest amounts, are going to be seen across the southern portions of our coverage area, right in here, and then it drops off exponentially as you go further north. So these areas in between, right in here, you're probably getting over an inch yet, but down here you're probably in the 1 to 2 inch plus category, and up here you're probably under an inch right near the Pennsylvania and New York border. So the further north you go away from that, the less precipitation you get, but it's going to be raining everywhere today, folks, so it's really not going to make much of a difference. It's just a matter of where the flooding potential is going to be, and that's going to be right across these areas in the southern areas that I identified just a minute ago. And then once we get this out of here, it's going to lift off to the north, and we're going to a little bit of a break, it looks like, after that point later on Saturday, maybe Saturday night that might take place. A little undecided on exactly when it ends on Saturday. For some areas, you might just be cloudy on Saturday with a few spotty showers here and there, and not a total washout. Let's get over the NAM High-Res Future Simulator Radar. I'm going to show you what it looks like here on Friday morning. Now, you just have some light showers going on. Heaviest concentration is down below this line. So this is just some light showers in here, intermittent hit or miss type things at 7 a.m. So once you go beyond this point, we see this start to creep up to the north with that front as it starts to lift off to the north. This is now late morning. Still some showery stuff in the middle here, but more concentrated down here in the southern regions. And that's going to continue to lift off to the north. Here's early afternoon. Here's late afternoon. Still kind of scattered up here across Pennsylvania. The highest concentration, again, remaining just south of the Mason-Dixon line over to Delaware, southern New Jersey. But I do think once we get into the overnight period, this is going to fill in quite nicely. And we're going to get some periods of rain, and heavy rain at that. And I think the heaviest concentration of the rainfall will actually fall overnight tonight into early Saturday morning. So here's 5 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. Here's 8 a.m. starting to lift off to the north. And then after that, once we get to the afternoon hours, you're left with some just scattered showers. Very widely scattered activity is going to continue during the afternoon, but we're going to start breaking it up. So it's going to be tapering to showers after that morning rain starts pushing out the steadier rain. And then it's going to get even more intermittent with time, and you can have that lessening toward evening with just a isolated shower remaining at that point, but still remaining cloudy the rest of the day here on Saturday. And then once we get into the overnight period, that very isolated activity will continue. Now we get to Sunday. Sunday, we're actually going to see partly to mostly cloudy skies, which means you're going to see a little bit of the sun on Sunday. Not a lot, but you're going to see some sunshine. Try to break through the clouds here on Sunday. You will also have the opportunity for scattered thunderstorms or showers or thunderstorms during the day. So this is not like this is going to be a kind of a 50-50 day. You'll have some periods where it's mostly dry throughout the day, but then you're going to have the opportunity for the scattered showers and thunderstorms to move in. And you're also going to have peaks of sun mixed in there as well. So not a total loss here on Sunday. And then we get to Monday. Starts off with partly cloudy skies in the morning. Then we have increasing clouds in the afternoon, scattered showers moving in later in the afternoon. This is ahead of a warm front. There's actually another area of low pressure that's right here, and a weak warm front moving up to the northeast with this on Monday. And a cold front was situated back here like this. So that's your surface map here. By the time we get to later in the day on Monday, with those showers coming in to the region, that's going to go into the overnight period and move off to the north. And we start off partly cloudy here, or let's say partly to mostly cloudy on Tuesday. And then we got scattered afternoon and evening thunderstorms coming in. We have to watch this here on Tuesday, depending on how much surface heating we get. and the timing of this. We could have some strong storms here on Tuesday evening, so we'll watch that. It's going out now 132 hours in the future, so we're looking at this at quite at arm's length here, and certainly things can change. There's just a signal there that we're going to have to watch for that potential. And so every day identified here, I went right through Tuesday now, that it has the opportunity for at least some precipitation on each day. The first day that we're going to have in a very long time of having no chance of precipitation comes next Wednesday. So Wednesday, and then guess what? Thursday's the same thing. And then Friday looks like it's going to be the same thing. And Saturday looks like the same thing. We could actually have consecutive days in a row of nice weather with no precipitation. Wouldn't that be nice? I'm Eastern PA with Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your outlook for May 18th, 2018. Have a great Friday.